This video will show you how to install the ARQ Universal Remote Control Frameless Mirror. The ARQ Universal Remote Control Frameless Mirror is ideal for vehicles with an existing wedge-style mount bracket mirror. For vehicles with a non-wedge style mount bracket, purchase one from an automotive parts retailer. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult the manual for complete instructions and safety information. Please install the mirror with care. The Chamberlain Group does not accept responsibility for the installation of this replacement mirror. Before you get started, carefully remove the old mirror following the instructions from the manufacturer. Let's get started. Loosen the screw on your new ARQ Universal Remote Control Frameless Mirror using the provided tool. Slide the mirror onto the wedge-style mount bracket on the windshield. Tighten the screw to secure the mirror into place. Adjust your new mirror and installation is complete. It's that simple. Be sure to program your new remote following the instructions included with the product. If you need to remove the remote control from the mirror, press on the back side of the clip and pull down. The remote pulls right out. To replace the remote control, insert into the mirror and rotate the clip upwards until it snaps into place. Do not remove the remote while the vehicle is moving. Learn more about your new remote control, including how to program it, when you visit arq.chamberlain.com. Thank you for choosing Chamberlain.